Here at Avabite, we're celebrating our 1-year anniversary in business. Our salads, smoothies, juices and sandwiches have been giving people an appetite for Avabite since our grand opening. Our ingredients are freshly prepared every day for you to take away. Our fresh, natural fruit is squeezed using our state-of-the-art juicer. And from our wide selection of fruit and veg, personalise your own smoothies with a blend of milk or yogurt. Create your own salads too. Choose your base, feeds, deli and enjoy. So here, on our first birthday, we'd like to thank all our staff for a successful first year. So if you've got an appetite for Avabite, why not pop in and pay us a visit? And here's to an even better year ahead.